It has been a long and extremely cold winter, so you decide to build a fire. At 4 p.m. when you check the thermostat before lighting the fireplace, it's 65 degrees. You went to sleep at 10 p.m., you notice the temperature was 75 degrees. What is the domain and range? Domain, when given an option, always involves time. So we start at 4 p.m. and we go to 10 p.m. If you notice, 4 and 10 are not an option of any of your domain. So if we say at 4 o'clock, that's going to represent 0, because no time has elapsed since then. And we go to 10, how many hours are we talking? Well, 10 minus 4 is 6, so that would go to 6. So the domain should be between 0 and 6. Now, if we look, we can get rid of option D and option C because the domains aren't correct. The trick here is, what's the difference between parentheses and what's the difference between brackets? If you remember, parentheses means that it does not include either end, where the brackets are inclusive and they include 0 and 6. So does it include exactly 4 o'clock? Does it include exactly 10 o'clock? Yes. B will be the correct answer. To verify our range here is in temperature. It starts at 65 degrees, that's the low end. It goes up to 75 degrees at 10 o'clock when we go to bed. And it does include both of those temperatures. So after verification, we can see that the correct answer here is B.